What's up, you guys? Welcome back. It's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Frieza from Dragon Ball Z Kai and Dragon Ball FighterZ. If you must know, Frieza is one of the main villains from Dragon Ball Z, and it was seen in a few movies like Dragon Ball Super Broly and Dragon Ball Resurrection F. If you must know, Frieza, he was one of the main fighters in the Tournament of Power since Majin Buu fell asleep and, refused to wake up. It's like he didn't want to be in the tournament anyway. Thanks a lot, Majin Buu. You've ruined your chance of entering the Tournament of Power. Anyways, what happened in that tournament was not cool. I'd rather let Majin Buu be in the Tournament of Power better. Hold on a sec, let me just adjust my cake stand. There we go. Okay, so let's get started, shall we? First thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his head. Okay, next up is his mouth. Okay. Okay, next up, here's his arm. Okay, here's a known fact. You see Frieza, as I did in the cooler video, Frieza is capable of using has the ability to take on 4 different forms, and like I said before, he's capable of turning into Golden Frieza, his golden counterpart. It was a little bit different than the other form the other forms similar to Metal Cooler. I wonder if Frieza will have a metal form as well. Okay. Gotcha. There we go. And finally, let's draw his tail. And there he is. That is how you draw Frieza. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And known facts about Frieza. I drew him in his final form. And his final form has purple chromosides. Anyways, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a